And here's just another corral they have here with more of the horses. You know, all nice and quiet. It's a nice sunny day. The winds have kind of died down. So I'm looking for the cemetery up here. It's a very old cemetery. It's been not taken care of well, and one of the prior owners took a lot of stuff out of there and markers and everything. So, but there's just an old sign there. It says cemetery. So I'm going to walk down here. I think I'm on the right road. All right. Yeah, I think I'm coming up to the sign. Yeah. Sign says a cemetery. Boy, you'd never know it, but there's a sign. It says cemetery in there. But I don't know if there's weeds in there or what to walk through to go in there. I'm going to walk up here a little bit more and see if I can come back and look in there. And this is part of the pathway that we took on the horses here last couple days here, but nothing you can really see in the cemetery. I mean, it's just all overgrown and not taken care of here really. So up here is another signpost up here. Yeah, this one says cemetery, but I'll probably get all full of ticks and everything down here. I want my shadow to go in there. But I guess there's people buried in here a long time ago. Alright, I think I saw an entrance. Oh, sign up there says cemetery too. So it's all down this area. All overgrown, not a marker or anything to be seen. That's an old sign. Because this ranch was here for, I don't know, 1800s or something here. It's over 100 years old. So it's had a number of owners over the year. Getting a little windy now. I don't have my sponge on here. I keep forgetting it because I'm standing where there's no wind and you can hear fine. So but up here, yeah, cemetery. I hope I'm not walking on people here, but no, I don't see anything here. A couple birds, nothing there, some trash, old trees. Boy, oh boy, that's a shame here. People have lived and were human beings at one time and probably did good things and bad things and laid them to rest, and nobody cares about them anymore here. So, well, that's a shame. All right, got a couple hours before cocktail time. I'm gonna have myself a good Bloody Mary tonight. We're having steak dinner tonight. It's our last night. Tomorrow I'm heading home. I hope my flight isn't canceled and going into Dallas where I have to change planes. So that's a little bit touch and go, but not too bad here. But Rancho de la Osa in Arizona, nearest town, if you want to call it that, of a few abandoned buildings and a little store is Sasabe. They got a lot of horses here. Some nice horses here. And mules. I rode the mule today. Horse has a little bit different rhythm. I found that probably the gait that they walk is a little bit different. The mule is not quite as comfortable as the horse was, but I needed a different saddle, so that's why today we did that 2-hour trail ride. It was wonderful. It started out pretty chilly and cold, but sun was out. Wasn't too windy in spots, but other than that, oh, here's a bunch of firewood. Ooh, need some for my room. Yeah, Mr. Horse. He's very quiet here. Look at these guys. Yeah, they're pretty good sized horses here. Yeah, they're not ornery or anything there, so very nice. All right, let me come back up here. Find a twig.